In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to select multiple objects here in Canva. So I have this planner just here. What we're going to do is select all of these boxes all in one go. Now this is going to work for elements, images, graphics, or whatever you choose. Now all that we want to do is make sure that this background's locked. Because if we select multiple objects and the background's not locked, it's going to select that as well. So I'm going to click onto here, and then we're going to click on lock position only. And now this background has been locked. So now we can left click on the mouse, we can drag, select, and it's going to select all of the objects which we highlight. So again, left click, drag, and select the objects that you want to choose. And now we can move all of these as one element, just like that. Now, if these wasn't boxes, we could also group these together. But as these are boxes, there's no group feature. So let me just get rid of that for a second. Let's just put a couple of objects onto the canvas really quick. Let's just do a square. Let's move this like that. Let's just make that a little bit smaller, and let's just make a couple of them just like this so I can show what I mean. So there we go. So if we highlight over these, we can't group these together because these aren't actually elements, but we can adjust these like that once selected. Whereas if you have an element like a graphic, a box, a shape, or anything like that, if we highlight over these ones, we can then group these together and they're going to stay as one group. Then, if we want to ungroup these, we can simply click onto this, ungroup, and now they're back to being one individual image. But nonetheless, that's just how easy it is to select multiple objects here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.